Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download your Google Maps offline. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now, to download your Google Maps offline, firstly open your Google Map application. Click on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen and tap on Offline Maps. Click on Select your own map. Drag or zoom to adjust the map and then click on Download. Now, you can search for the location and get the directions to your destination. This is how you can download your Google Maps offline quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.